how to fix Instagram zoomed in screen. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how you can fix the problem like Instagram zoom in screen automatically on your Instagram. So if you are suffering this problem, this video might be helpful to you. So let's get started. So at first you will have to open the settings on your device. So simply open the settings, and now from here you will have to scroll down and find the options like apps. So simply you have to tap on the app section, and now on the app section you will have to find the app Instagram. All right, so after you find the Instagram app, you will have to open the Instagram app, and now from here you will have to go the option force stop. So it will appear on the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply you have to tap on the force stop option. Okay, so you have to click on OK. Alright, so now after that you will have to scroll down and go with the option storage. So it will be on the usage section. So simply you have to go with the option storage, and now from here you will have to go with the options clear data. So simply you have to tap on the clear data option. Again, okay. Alright, so now we have successfully completed the process that helps to fix the problem like Instagram zoom in screen. So this is the easiest and simplest method to fix the problem like Instagram zoom screen automatically on your Instagram app. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.